Guess what came in the mail?
Beer?
No, the Bibbidi Bobbidi box.
Boom. That's what's popping.
Hello. We have quite a few videos to do. A couple of them a tag video, but we need to do this one first. Oh my gosh. It is time for our next Bibbidi Bobbidi unboxing. That's a huge box. That's the biggest box that we've got. This is our fourth one, right?
Yeah.
I know it's our fourth one, but I'm
Okay.
saying it is the biggest one that we've gotten.
All right, stop
It's
saying
huge.
big box.
Let me get some wine.
A very merry unbox day to you.
The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe that it's possible. And it's the cute little, what is he? The Mad Hare?
Yeah, isn't he from Alice in Wonderland?
Well, I know it's from Alice in Wonderland, but I couldn't remember what his name was.
Brown Rabbit? Brer Rabbit? All right. Spoiler alert. Let's see what we got.
No. You do this every time. Stop it. Oh, that's cute. It's got those guys on there.
That's right. It should be our
Now I did,
pins in there too, right?
yeah, I did change up our preference manager. We're gonna do that now?
I don't know.
No, let's
I
not do
guess
that.
not.
No. To add some different things to what we prefer. I don't know if it got there in time. We'll find out. Never usually disappointed in what we get. I think it did because we saw this before, right?
Yeah, someone else got that. I still like it.
Ron and Mary.
We don't
crew
have it.
From the Philly crew. Hey, I rhymed. Yeah. So I do recall saying that I like the Haunted Mansion. I'm gonna take my hearse to the Old Town Road. I guess that's a pop culture reference. The song.
Oh man.
Something we already got.
Yes, but I love it.
Oh no, what? Oh, now you can have one for your office. Right?
I don't even need to open it, but it's a Jim Shore.
We love Jim Shore. I did say that.
It's Fox and the Hound, my favorite movie.
I already have this one. I guess the problem is I do want to continue to get Jim Shore from this company, but I have so many that it would be hard to be like, well, I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. That would be a long list on the preference manager.
Oh, I love Fox and the Hound.
So now you have that for your office, Eddie, because that's his favorite. Oh, and the Flower and Garden Festival that we've never been to that we really want to go to. Are these, are they stickers? They look like patches almost, but those are really cute. And I know we've seen these on other people's, and maybe we've even seen the Character Warehouse. I feel like we've seen these there. This is the Disney Parks exclusive item. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we got the Haunted Mansion pen, Fox and the Hound, Jim Shore. You're not going to take it out?
Well, I could just go get the one that's already open.
The patches, or are those patches? I don't know.
They look like patches.
I mean, that's cool. Like, okay.
So the Jim Shore Unexpected Friends is $45.
Wow. Wow.
I don't remember paying that much for mine.
Yeah, what did you get on Amazon?
Yes.
That's pricey.
The Parkbound Button, Old Town Road, $4. The Disney Parks Flower and Garden Festival Mickey patches, $12.
Wow.
For a total retail value of $61.
Uh-huh.
This box is like $40.
Wow.
So
Wow, the Jim Shore. It's cute though. Oh, so are you happy? Are you okay with that being in your office?
well, it's probably not going to go in my office because my office is mostly sports.
Okay, so
So
we're
stop trying to Disney up my office, where sometimes that's my escape from Disney.
You need an escape from Disney?
I do need an escape to Disney. Let's go now.
I don't know.
Okay, so we also got our pins. The
Yes.
bling box.
You usually get 2 pins. Well, that was a big box. Was it because of that?
It's got to be because and all the stuffing
Oh,
just to make sure
it doesn't break.
Yeah.
I probably should open that up and make sure it's not broken. Usually we get 2 pins, so we'll see. Oh, you like that one?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
It's all right.
I like it. It's heavy.
I like this one better.
Uh-oh. Okay.
No, wait, don't show yet. Wait for the big reveal.
What?
Shh, shh.
Eddie. Stop.
Oh, now?
Well, I was going to take it out of the thing and then...
That's what I'm doing.
Okay. A baggie. Moscato.
It's a bat from Haunted Mansion.
Oh, that's cool. Let me see. Oh, I do. I like it. And it has the wallpaper on there. I don't know if you can see that on... But the wallpaper design is on the bat.
So yeah, my favorite pin between the two is going to be the Haunted Mansion pin.
This is cute though, right? I have a pair of ears like this.
I didn't say it's not cute. I'm just saying what my favorite is.
I understand.
But you're like, but this is not bad. No one's saying it's bad.
So what is your favorite item that we received this time around? I know we already asked, so...
I already have it, but I got to go with the Jim Shore Fox and the Hound.
I as much as like the Haunted Mansion, I'm intrigued what I want to do with these patches. I don't know. Turn up the fun. Turn it up.
These boys are dancing over here because they want a treat.
Yes.
So yeah, the Jim Shore is my favorite. I love Fox and the Hound.
What are you going to do with it?
I don't know yet.
Are you going to put it on your nightstand next to your side of the bed?
I don't know yet. I love Fox and the Hound. I can't see myself parting with it, even though we already have one. So that's still my favorite. Favorite pin's Haunted Mansion. What was your favorite pin?
I agree on the Haunted Mansion. I mean,
but what about the other one?
no, the other one is really good. And I have to say, honestly, though, this is the first time that I really have a hard time deciding between the two which one I like better. I really like both of them. But Haunted Mansion was something I put on the preference manager as a favorite of mine. I did put Splash Mountain for you. So, hopefully in the future we can maybe get some Splash Mountain merch.
Possibly.
It don't matter.
So like, subscribe, comment.
Share.
Let us know what your favorite pin is that we got in the bling box, and the favorite out of the 3 items for the Dreams box.
Is that
I
what it's
always
called?
forget.
Yeah, it's the Dreams box. It's the least expensive box, and that affords us the ability to also put in some dough for the bling box.
Bling box.
Yeah, so I've got to get some corkboard and start displaying my pins in the office.
All right, so like, subscribe, comment,
Share.
do all that great stuff. Let us know what you think. Can't wait for our next Bibbidi box.
You don't have any smart ass jokes to say? Oops.
No, because sometimes I remember children watch, and I'm trying to be children friendly and give this one a PG rating for now.
Now, thanks to Jennifer, PG-13.
This one I didn't ruin, everyone. You're welcome. Stay tuned for more tall tales.
And short stories.